I'm Alma Lagarto. Our first lesson will be how to take body measurement in men's apparel. And I will be doing a demonstration on it. If you take measurements as accurate as possible, we'll be able to drop a new perfect pattern. After this lesson, there will be a good idea to start measuring as many as ladies. This way, you will get used to measure and accuracy. Before I will start the demonstration, please be acquainted first the fraction of an inch. Okay, how to read the tape measure in inches? Okay, this is the tape measure. How to get the inch? Okay, 1 inch. Okay, 1/8. First line. 1/4. First lines is meaning to say graduation. Okay, the first line is 1/8. Next, 1/4. Second line. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 2 1/4 it is equivalent to 1/2. 1/2. Next, 3/4. Next, 5/8. 5 lines. Next, 6/8. Next, 7/8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8. Okay, next. Okay, at the back of the tape measure is the metric system. And how to read the tape measure in centimeters. So this is centimeters. Okay, 1 centimeter. 0.centimeter is equivalent to 1 millimeter. Next, 0.centimeter, 2 lines. Is equivalent to 2 millimeter. Next, 0.3 centimeter. 1, 2, 3. 0.3 centimeter is equivalent to millimeter. Next, 0. centimeter. 4 lines. Is equivalent to 4 millimeter. 0.5 centimeter is equivalent to 5 millimeter. Next, 0.6 centimeter is equivalent to 6 millimeter. Next, 0.7 centimeter from here to here, 7 lines. Okay, 0.7 centimeter is equivalent to 7 millimeter.
Go.
Now, you know already how to read the tape measure in centimeters and inches. Present to you the materials needed in how to take body measurements. Okay, the first materials is the tape measure. Next, of course, our model, Rush Lerius. Lerius. Yung hindi kailangan. Okay, example. If there is cell phone, do you have cell phone, Rush? Okay, no. Okay, so we will continue. Okay. There are 3 kinds of measurements that we are going to take. So the first measurement that I will take is vertical measurement first. Under the vertical measurement, shirt length. So, shirt length taken from the nape down to the same center back to the desired length. Okay, the nape of brush is here. Okay, from the nape, center back to the desired length. Kung ano ang gusto mong haba. This desired length. Okay, 27. So, 27 inches. Next in vertical measurement, the sleeve length. Okay, to get the sleeve length, take a point. So we will measure 1/2 from the tip point to start the measurement of the sleeve length. Sleeve length. Okay, 7 inches. Out by using this, I will try the tape measure to get the smallest part of brush waistline. Okay, you find out the waistline, the smallest portion of the waist. Now, we will measure the length of pants from the along the down to the desired length. Okay, 35.5. Next, crotch or rise measurement. Crotch or rise measurement measured by placing a roller under the crotch. Then, we will need a roller. You're going to place the roller under your crotch. Then, I will measure. Okay, we will come to the next measurement, the horizontal measurement. Okay, under the horizontal measurement, shoulder, taken from the one shoulder point to the other. So we will get the measurement of the shoulder. Shoulder point to the other. 18 inches. Take is circumferential measurement. Take is bust. Taken around the body. Here. Around the body with the tape measure passing over to the fullest part of the shoulder. Be sure na it is level. Naka-level siya back and the front. And insert 2 fingers. 29 inches upper arm girth, taken around the fullest part of the arm in line with the armpit. Okay, this is the marginal or the separate from the chest and the arm. Okay, we will get the upper arm girth around the fullest part of the arm. So the fullest part here, in line with the armpit. Here is the armpit and in line with the armpit. Okay, this is now 11 inches. Okay, next the lower arm girth or the sleeve length, taken around the arm of 2 to 3 inches below your armpit. So you're going to measure 3 inches below your armpit, then to get the lower arm girth. Okay. The same. 10.5 inches. Next is the, under the circumferential measurement, is the neck. Around the neckline. Okay, we will give an allowance. Okay, 15 inches. Okay, next is the waist, taken around the smallest part of the waistline. Okay, the waistline of brush is 25 inches. of the waist is hip measurement, taken around the fullest part of the buttock. With 2 inserted fingers again. Okay. Okay. This is the fullest part of the buttocks of brush. Okay. Be sure nga that is aligned to the front and to the back of your measurement. Your tape measure, 34 inches. The last is the leg hole. Okay, to get the leg hole or your desired bottom. Kung ano yung gusto mo. What is the desired length of the client? Kung gusto niya mas maluwag, okay, ganyan. 15 inches. The bottom circumference of brush. May allowance. 15. Okay. Now you know already how to take body measurement of men's apparel.